Today we're going to demonstrate the VMI Northstar conversion in a Toyota Sienna minivan. This conversion has the largest interior space and headroom of any VMI conversion, including a generous 57.5-inch door opening height. The Northstar conversion in the Toyota Sienna also offers an additional 1.5 inches of that all-important ground clearance than most competitors. The ramp is 30 inches wide and has a 1,000-pound weight capacity. The in-floor ramp feature gives you more room in the cabin area for larger wheelchairs. It also offers the safety advantage of loading and unloading ambulatory passengers on the non-traffic curb side of the vehicle without deploying the ramp. The front passenger seat is easily removable, allowing an adult wheelchair user to ride up front. If you are looking for a reliable conversion with extra room and ground clearance, and the reliability of the Toyota name, consider the VMI Northstar conversion in the Toyota Sienna minivan. If you have any questions about this or any of our other conversions, please contact your local mobility consultant, which you can find at superiorvan.com. Thanks for watching.